Death and life have their determined appointments, riches and honors depend upon heaven. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. If we don't know life, how can we know death? They must often change, who would be constant in happiness or wisdom. A superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. When it is obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals, adjust the action steps. Wisdom, compassion, and courage are the three universally recognized moral qualities of men. When you know a thing, to hold that you know it, and when you do not know a thing, to allow that you do not know it, this is knowledge. Ability will never catch up with the demand for it. You cannot open a book without learning something. Success depends upon previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. There are three methods to gaining wisdom. The first is reflection, which is the highest. The second is limitation, which is the easiest. The third is experience, which is the bitterest. He who speaks without modesty will find it difficult to make his words good. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. If you look into your own heart and you find nothing wrong there, what is there to worry about? What is there to fear? It is easy to hate and it is difficult to love. This is how the whole scheme of things works. All good things are difficult to achieve and bad things are very easy to get. Never contract friendship with a man that is not better than thyself. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. When we see persons of worth, we should think of equaling them. When we see persons of a contrary character, we should turn inwards and examine ourselves. By three methods we may learn wisdom: first, by reflection, which is noblest; second, by imitation, which is easiest; and third, by experience, which is the bitterest. Never give a sword to a man who can't dance. Study the past, if you would divine the future. We should feel sorrow, but not sink under its oppression. What you do not want done to yourself, do not do to others. To be wronged is nothing unless you continue to remember it. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. Only the wisest and stupidest of men never change. Without feelings of respect, what is there to distinguish men from beasts? To see and listen to the wicked is already the beginning of wickedness. To practice 5 things under all circumstances constitutes perfect virtue. These 5 are gravity, generosity of soul, sincerity, earnestness, and kindness. Faced with what is right, to leave it undone shows a lack of courage. When anger rises, think of the consequences. I will not be concerned at other men's not knowing me, I will be concerned at my own want of ability. If you hate a person, that means they defeated you. The superior man understands what is right, the inferior man understands what will sell.